defeat them through here and through there to get to where he needed. They didn't know how to get through here. Through here. Okay? They didn't know how to get through there. That's why the Most High defeated them this way to get across, and he defeated them that way to go across. Okay? That means the tribe of Israel resided in here. They resided over here. And they resided over here in boats. They went across in boats. So when he said he'll go back into Egypt, they went back into Egypt, into slavery. They took off from here, across, here, across, here, across. It wasn't from here over here. It wasn't like that. It was like from here to here, back into Egypt. They left Egypt never to see it again and went across from here and here and over here and over here. There is a documentary describing the Exodus on the History Channel that describes him going across here and taking off in boats going across there, the 12 tribes of Israel. They were already in this land. And then they went back into captivity over here, back into captivity over there, back into captivity. They went across here thousands of times. It wasn't this way around. Now getting back how Esau's white. Esau dwelled over here. He was up here, where all the Neanderthals were. Okay, the beasts of the land were. In the cold areas, in the mountains. All those areas. Okay, he was in the cold areas in the mountains. There was plenty of food, plenty of stuff that he can go hunt. He mated with these people, the Mongoloids, the beasts of the land. They were white. He whited himself out. His seed stayed still. His seed always remained Esau's seed. Esau always had his seed. It always stayed the same. But he whited himself out by messing around with these beasts of the land. He didn't care for the He did not care for the laws, statutes, and commandments of the Most High. It is written through all scriptures he didn't care about the statutes of the commandments of the Most High. So he was fucking around with the beast of the land. It said in the book not to fuck around with the beast in the land. Do you think Esau cared? No, he didn't. He fucked around with the beast in the land. And he made tribes of different nations. And he continued to white himself out. His seed stayed the same. His lineage stayed the same. Okay, you can't destroy the seed. All you can do is fuck it up. This is the reasons why Israelite seed always been the dominant seed. It's trying to get back into the natural pigmented, whatever, you know what I mean. It's trying to get back. That's why it's always been the dominant seed, right? But the Neanderthals are the Esau. Why? Because Esau fucked around with these people and started mating with them, which you got the Arabs, which you got Asians, which you got the so-called Europeans, right? You got Australians, you got Russians, you got them all right there, all right here, and then they went over and across because that's what the Most High said. If you happen to stop doing the law, statutes, and commandments, right? They took over. That's the way it was. But Esau became white because he was fucking with the Neanderthals on these places and made nations, different nations of different ethnicities. But the tribe of Jacob remained the same because he obeyed the law, statutes, and commandments. And his seed continues to do that even though they are fucking up a little bit. Not the amount of Esau. That's why he hates him. Esau continues to fuck that up. He continues to fuck that up. Okay? He still breeds with that same people. Continuously. That's why he said do not breed with these people, because now they fucked it up. Esau is now this nation. Now the whole entire nation of Esau is white. It's not that he was born white. He may not have been Esau might not have been born